there was a little crowd gathered here. We're testing all our toilets. So Travis here is cutting open all these toilets, and we're inspecting them for broken bowls and tanks, and we're just throwing them over there. Looking like men over here, just chucking them across the dumpster. But how are we doing this, Travis?
We're keeping all of the good parts, and if we can make a full set, then we do. And then that goes out, and then all the bad stuff gets hulked into the dumpster.
Yeah, hulked. He weighs 74 pounds.
Soaking wet.
Hulked. We had a lot more broken bowls than tanks, so eventually we'll pull the internals out of these and toss the tanks if we don't have matching pieces. But we had like 4 of these models, the 8.3s, and right there. So we got 2 of them that are perfectly good, and then we had 2 that we had to chuck. And then this is what we have for toilets yet. I know that the bowl's cracked on that power flush. I think that's the only one. We got another one of them Glacier Bays on the bottom, but we have quite a few back here to go through yet. We went through and did some more toilets today, and surprisingly all 3 of these had broken tanks. It's normally the bowls that are bad, so we're going to be looking for tanks on different ones when we find cracked bowls. We have a good amount of tanks. Where do we got them all? Right here. Here's all our spare tanks. We have to make sure we label them so that they all go with the proper toilets. And Tyler was over here. Tyler was doing most of the Cobalt stuff. He's got a lot of Cobalt batteries. Completed a ton of kits, and I'll show you what we have done over there on the shelves right now. We had 5 people working, so we put about 30 hours in today on testing this stuff. This is what we came up with that's good. There's quite a few toolkits in there. Most of this is cordless, including the Skill brand. They have 12 and 20 volt. It's kind of neat. Lots of Cobalt. Several kits back there. But this is what we all went through. 5 people today. And we did add some air compressors in. I think we were down to one of these 20 gallons over the week, so we tested a bunch more. And we brought out, it looks like 3, 5, 6 or 7 new compressors out here. And this is a fairly robust stack of tools that we got that do not work. So we found a lot. We weeded tons of it out. Like I said, we missed some, but we really try not to. This stuff's all going to go to eBay. We might only get $3 or $5 or $8 each tool, but it sure beats throwing in the dumpster. Fortunately, tons and tons of bad ones. We do inspect a lot here. I know we missed some, so we get returns occasionally if we miss something, but we do a lot of testing. We put a lot of effort into that, trying to help our customers out.